Hi, welcome to General Measures channel. In this video, we are going to demonstrate M04 packing process simulation under the hopper mode. There are 5 steps for packing simulation. First, calibration of weighing indicator. Second, select the scale mode. Third, I/O definition. Fourth, set the formula parameters. Fifth, simulation packing process. After the calibration of the weighing indicator, select the scale mode. Press M to enter the parameter list. Select the working parameters. Press Enter. Find the scale structure. Select the hopper packing. Working mode and feeding mode are chosen according to the application. Other parameters remain to the default value. Then press ESC to return to the previous menu page. Select the I/O in the menu parameter list. When selecting the scale mode, the I/O has been automatically set corresponding to the chosen scale. Press Enter to check the definition of the I/O ports. Normally we use outputs as running, stop, coarse flow, medium flow, fine flow, result waiting, etc. Inputs as start, emergency stop, reset 0, clear alarm, change recipe, backlog, unlock request. In general, the I/O set by system are enough to use. But if we want to use other inputs or outputs, they can also be set. Then press ESC to return to the previous menu. Select the recipe parameters in the menu parameter list. There are 20 formulas can be set. The user can change it according to the application requirements. Press 1. The formula number modification box pops up. You can enter 1 to 20 to modify the formula. Here we select Formula 1 and press Enter to check and set the parameters under the Formula 1. We set the target value of 5 kg. Three kg of fast feeding. 1 kg of medium feeding. 0.5 kg of freefall value. 0.02 kg of zero zone value. These parameters can determine the open size of the feeding mechanism. The specific instructions please refer to the manual. The corresponding time of the operations in the process can be set under the dosing timer parameter. Here we keep the default parameters. Other parameters such as over or underweight, auto freefall correction, clap the back and so on, please check the manual. Then press ESC to return to the previous menu. The packing parameters are all set. Back to the main page. We can see the current formula, target value, total accumulative weight, total times, and so on. We can also press Enter to choose and set the different working parameters. I press the corresponding numeric keys. Now, we carry out the packing simulation of M04. The first step, start signal input is valid. Wait for the feeding delay output feeding signal. At this time the scale starts feeding. The second step, the feeding process, according to the set value, through the fast feeding, medium feeding, slow feeding. When the current weight equal or over target value minus fall value, the feeding process enters into the fixed value state and outputs the fixed value signal. The third step, input back clamping signal. The scale starts discharging when the current weight equal or under zero zone value. Discharging is completed. After the discharging delay, loosen back. 1 pack of packing is finished. In the main page, you can see the updated total accumulation, formula accumulation and so on. Other functional parameters are described in detail on page 16 of the manual. That is all for today's video. We will continue to bring videos of the latest products. Subscribe General Measures channel. See you in the next video.